Hey guys, and welcome back to another Gupty556 video. I am Gupty556, as you probably can see, and I am bringing to you a new video about a pig farm. This video is being done as a school project. The school project is in Minecraft, and it is of a fully functioning pig farm. Sorry guys if I sound sick. I just woke up because the assignment is due today, and yeah, I don't sound super good. Sorry about that guys, but let's get started. Okay, so right down there is the pig farm, and I'll get to the tour. So, okay. Oh no. Yeah, the last, 6 times I've tried it, my Minecraft and video recorder froze and just stopped working, so let's hope this works this time. But this is an electric fence to keep the pigs in. Over here is our water supply. It cycles back through, goes in, it gets filtered, and it comes out. Right here are our sheds, or shelters. The pigs can come under here and they can get shade and, get protection. Right here is our chicken and pants maker. Okay, so yeah, that's our chicken and pants maker. And then in here is the main pig barn. So I'll first off get to the water and food. That is part of the water supply. So what the pigs do is they'll walk over here, they'll step on this plate, and they'll get in there and they'll drink the water, and that's, whoops, I fell through. Actually guys, since I fell in, I will show you our sewer system too. So this is our sewer system. It just, basically it's these panels in the pigs' pens, and there's one on both sides. You can see that. And then these are water jets to push the water that way, but it takes all the manure in the water and brings it over here into these pipes. Now these pipes suck up the manure or water, whatever you want to call it, and they bring it over here to this lagoon. Oh, look, it's daytime. In this lagoon, it'll sit here, and, well, it'll just sit here for a while, and I can't remember the word for it, but anyway, then we'll take the manure water, and we spray it on our field as fertilizer. So, we have a mixture of carrots and wheat. Hey guys. Alright, now on next is the tractor. It's not the best tractor, but it plows the field and, picks it up, and then it brings it over the hay or corn or whatever you want, or hay or carrots, and it dumps it onto this tray, or this, not tray, what's it called? Conveyor belt. Then the conveyor belt dumps it in here into the feeding area, and then it goes into there. You can see that. Wait, yep, there we go. And then that thing dumps it into here. You see 7. Whoops. I can click this button a couple times, and it will go into there. So now it's got 9. Now this thing, actually, before I say that, I would have this all automated, but to show you. Well, basically, I could have had it all automated, but I didn't spend the time to do that. That's just basically what I'm going to say. So now, if I hit that, it'll go around, and it dumps the feed onto that. Yes, it goes pretty quick, but that's how Minecraft works. And it's going to dump it into these feeding trays, and into here. And then, to feed everything, you just send it on its way, and it will go along and it'll feed the pigs. And then it'll come back for another round. Alright, so there's our feeding. And I think I might have already told you about the cleaning robots. So yeah, that's feeding. Then over here is our farrowing barn. The pigs have babies, and in Minecraft, the babies can't actually get under the fence, but since I'm using this simulation, they're supposed to be able to get out from under the fence so the mother doesn't crush them. Okay, and that's a really big feeding tray. And then out here is, actually I'll say the different types. These are for the really little babies. These inside ones where they can't move a lot are for the still growing, and then these are for the near slaughter pigs, so they get to roam around and have lots of exercise. Okay, now our loading, our loading gate, the pigs will come through here, they'll get up on top of that, and then a truck will back up to it, and it'll load them into the truck. Okay. And sorry about the glitches, as I said earlier. It's kind of slow. Okay, and then after that, this is the truck. You can see the pigs inside of it. And then inside the truck, the floor has a bunch of holes in it, so when they go to the bathroom, let me get rid of a few. They're starting to glitch my game. There we go. And then when they go to the bathroom, it falls in here on this tray. And so, yeah, that's how the truck works. Okay, and then it's not the best I've ever done, but it's a cab. And this was made by Orangecraft, this little guy. And then this is our king chicken and pants. There's the chicken, there's the pants, and it looks kind of more like a duck, but that's the best I could do for this small of a space. And around front, this is just where you walk in. You can see the minecart system, the feed the pigs goes under and then over. But I think I have showed you guys everything. Oh yeah, then also since there's a lot of glass in the roof, the pigs get the sun when they're in here. So I think I've showed you everything now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, also guys, I forgot to tell you, over here is this contraption is made by Orangecraft, and it is a special for one of my teachers, Mr. Feral Pony. And then here's how it works. This thing is a bacon machine. You start it up, and it will give you as much bacon as you'd ever want. You can take a bacon shower. Look at that inventory fill up. But there is the bacon contraption, and see you later. Bye. And also guys, this was a team effort by me, Orangecraft, and Lucario, which will most likely be in future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you later.